Hello, I'm Kaylee for this month's Civics 101. Do you know who wrote a major part of the Bill of Rights as well as much of the United States Constitution? The answer to this question right after this.
From the soldier returning from war, to the community devastated by a tornado, and the school in need of support, we say,
I have now found my passion.
AmeriCorps was the first one here.
The extra attention that our Senior Corps volunteers are offering these kids makes a huge difference.
Volunteer. National Service works for America. Go to nationalservice.gov to learn more. This message is brought to you by the Corporation for National and Community Service.
Before the break, I asked, who wrote a major part of the Bill of Rights and the United States Constitution? The answer is James Madison. Madison, along with Alexander Hamilton and John Jay, wrote The Federalist, a series of 85 essays written between 1787 and 1788 under the pseudonym Publius. These essays were written to gain popular support for the Constitution, which was finally ratified by the states in 1788. As a member of the House of Representatives, Madison worked to draft the Bill of Rights, which was ratified in 1791. Many of you probably know that James Madison was the 4th President of the United States. He was also the Secretary of State during Thomas Jefferson's presidency. James Madison was very instrumental in the development of our nation. For Civics 101, I'm Kaylee.